Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 updates that Asana has launched. So let's check them out. So quite recently, Asana got a couple updates, and I'm going to basically lay them down to boost your team's productivity. Let's check them out. Number 1, the collaborative AI teammates, which is still in the beta phase. So AI learns from your team's work patterns and communication style to provide personalized support. Also automatically handles routine tasks, freeing your team to focus on high impact work. And it surfaces insights and connections across projects to keep everyone aligned. Number 2, the smarter resource management. Now, the new timesheets and budget add-on revolutionizes how you optimize team capacity and your projected finances. You can now track hours and budget allocations in real time, giving managers unprecedented visibility into resource utilization. Some of the key benefits of this specific feature is the real-time visibility into team capacity and workload distribution, the accurate budget tracking, which prevents project overruns before they actually happen, and data-driven insights that help balance workloads and prevent team burnout. And the last thing over here is their integration with existing project timelines and workflows. Looking at number 3, their enhanced goal and project tracking. Now, Asana's enhanced tracking capabilities bring unprecedented clarity to goal progress and project status. The new grid view and saved filters in goals make it easier than ever to visualize progress across your organization's strategic initiatives. Number 1, they have a new grid and saved views file in goals, providing customizable dashboards for tracking progress your way. Also, they've got streamlined status updates for projects, portfolios, and goals, which keep stakeholders informed and aligned. The last feature within this update is their smart notifications, which ensure teams consistently post updates, eliminating communication gaps. Second from last, number 4, the request tracking feature. Now, here you get centralized intake. This means you can consolidate all your incoming work requests into a single organized hub. You can also evaluate and rank requests based on urgency, impact, and also available resources. And their automated routing intelligently assigns requests to the right team member based on the skills and capacity. This means that one team member won't be overloaded while another is free. Then the last feature within this update is the status transparency. So it keeps requesters informed with automated updates throughout the entire workflow. Now, jumping into the very last update over here, number 5. It's an upcoming change. It hasn't hit just yet. It's their personal project spaces discontinuation. Now, what is actually changing? Their personal project access will be discontinued as of December 15th. Now, the benefit of this is their enhanced collaboration, which gives improved data security and better team visibility. So, if you need to migrate your data to a team or organization projects before the deadline, this is something that you need to do.